is here to kill. Mr. Zircon still hears hearts beating. Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of pain. Hello, stinky aliens.
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Detecting Versa mines ahead.
Come here. Don't worry, I'm a friend. I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbot from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drac terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of all mankind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack.
Ugh, this is disgusting. Huh?
Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien. Mr. Zircon does not come in peace. Hello, stinky aliens. Mr. Zircon will punch you in the face with bullets. Zircon yet?
Just a few more!
Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Nice work. A deal's a deal. Here you go. I tell you what, I actually have a top-secret Drek Industries info pact. If you bring me a few more brains, I might be willing to part with it.
You really have a thing for brains, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And with that jetpack, Ratchet became the aerial scourge of 1,000 worlds. Or at least his commute got easier. Ratchet used the jetpack to fly high above hostile territory.
In the galaxy is collecting telepathopus brains. If my experiments succeed, I'll be leading the charge into a new frontier. Or my experiments will fail and this will all be pointless. Either way, at least I'm keeping busy. I would be out there collecting brains myself, but my doctor told me I have a bad case of cow finger. I have no idea. I just realized if I'm a scientist and I spend all my time studying brains, I should introduce myself at parties as a brain scientist. That sounds much more impressive than an assistant Blarg outpost consultant.